Now we are discussing the topic that is called the transmission modes. Now there are three modes of transmission. One is simplex, second one is half duplex, and third one is the full duplex. Transmission mode mean how we are going to send the data. Means what are the modes available. Is it only the feature that we are only sending but we are not receiving, or are we sending in both direction? So that answer will be given by the transmission mode, means what is given to us. Now let us suppose I am taking the first example, which is let us suppose this is some device, and from here we are sending the data to the another device. I am assuming that this is the device 1. It is sending the data to the device 2, but only in one direction. The data is transferring only in one direction. There is no chance of coming back. So data cannot come in this direction. That is not the possibility. So such type of communication is called the simplex. So we can say that they can communicate in one direction. So they can send or communicate in one direction. Now there are various examples of such communication, just like we can say in the real life there is one-way street, means only you can go, right? There is no option of coming back in that particular way. So one-way road is there. Or very good example in the real life we are having is the TV remote. You can see that in the TV remote is going to send the signal to the TV, but TV never send back the signal to the remote. So that is also the one-way communication. Now here in simplex, the role of transmitter and receiver are defined. Transmitter and receiver are defined. The meaning is that the transmitter knows that it is going to send only, and receiver, that is the other person, knows that I have to receive only. There is no clash. Whenever transmitter send, receiver will receive it. But yeah, this type of technology we rarely use. Just like in the remotes we are using. Otherwise for the communication part we are not going to use the simplex communication. Simplex is only in the TV remotes and other car remote and such thing. One-way transmission. Now the next type of transmission mode we are having is the half duplex. Assuming that again we are having two devices or the station. Let us suppose D1 is the device 1 and D2 is the device 2. Now half duplex. Duplex means double, half means half of double. Half of double means both can send the data but one at a time. Means you and me are talking, but we are having a rule. A rule is that if I am speaking, you will not speak, but if you are speaking, I will not speak. Just like in the movies you have seen that there are the communication for defense, they are saying do this thing and that over. Then the other person says do this and that over. Over means from my side the data is communicated, now it is your side. So that is the half duplex communication. Whenever we are using a single channel for both ways, then obviously the half duplex. So if one is sending, another person cannot send at that particular time. Okay, so other cannot send. But if other is sending, then first person cannot send. Means one can send at a time. So we can write it here. Communicate in both direction but one at a time. And there is very good example in the real life, crossing the narrow bridge. Now let us assume that you are driving and there is a narrow road or narrow bridge is coming. Other person also want to come here, you also want to go to the other side. So out of two, only one can cross at a time. So you are having the mutual discussion that first you are going to cross, after that the other person will come. Because if both will come, nobody can communicate. So that is the half duplex, means crossing a narrow road, or both can communicate but one at a time. Now the last one we are having is the full duplex. When both can communicate at the same time, that is called the full duplex. So if I say there is a device 1 and that want to communicate with the device 2, and both are sending and receiving at the same time, it is sending, it is receiving also. So that is called the full duplex. It is the two-way communication. So we can say that communicate in both direction. Or we can say that it is the two-way communication. And we know that the two-way communication means both are transmitting and receiving at the same time. And this communication will obviously be very fast. So this is the fast communication. And the example we know that two-way road. Well, we are having the dedicated lines for sending and receiving. Just like you know that there are the two-lane roads. One is going and one is coming. So these are the two-way roads, means it is partitioned that one is for the going and one is for the coming. So there is no collision, no problem. So that is the real life scenario, and the telecommunication means all the networking is based upon the full duplex. Just like telecommunication means the phone calls. You are speaking, somebody else says in between, yes, do this, okay. So that is the telecommunication. So these are all the transmission modes. One is simplex, sending into one direction only. Half duplex, sending in both direction but one at a time. Then is the full duplex. We are sending in the both direction.